Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Golanda Upazila Online School. This is Lutfur Rahman, assistant teacher, Golanda Proper High School. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are well, you are at home, safe and sound. I am also fine. Dear students, you know your school has been closed because of COVID-19 coronavirus. So the thinking of your betterment, Golanda Upazila Online School has been created. Dear students, you are losing your education. So if you join Golanda Upazila online classes, so you will do better in the examination. Dear students, I have discussed about change of degrees in my last class. Now I will discuss about the next topic of the change of degrees. First of all, I will write a sentence on the board. Dear students, I hope you all are well. You all are ready to watch this class. Share this class with your friends so that they can enjoy this class. Right now, I will go to discuss my class. Students, first of all, I will write a sentence on the board. Chittagong is the biggest city. Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Chittagong is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. Students, notice the board. I have written two sentences on the board. Can you tell me what type of degrees this sentence are? Look at the board. The first one is the biggest port in Bangladesh. This is the superlative form of the degree. So we can tell it is superlative degree. After that, Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. Look at here. This is the comparative form of the comparative degree. After that, then, so we can say it is comparative degree. Dear students, today's my lesson is superlative to comparative. Superlative to comparative degree. Superlative to comparative degree. Students, Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Now, I will try to change this sentence from superlative to comparative degree. First of all, I will write the subject Chittagong, then verb, after that bigger, that is comparative form of the comparative degree, then any other. Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. Students, this is the comparative degree. When I change the sentence from superlative to comparative, then I will follow the rules. Now I will make a structure according to these answer sentences. Students, generally, if we want to change from superlative to comparative degree, then we have to follow the rules. First of all, subject, verb, then the comparative form, comparative form of the superlative degree. After that, then any other. After that, then any other. At the end of the sentence, the rest of the given sentence, the rest of the given sentence. At first, subject, verb, the comparative form of superlative degree, then any other, the rest of the given sentence. Student, notice the board. Then any other, then the rest of the given sentence, that is port in Bangladesh. So subject, verb, comparative form of superlative, then any other, the rest of the given sentence. This is the correct sentence. Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. Students, I expect that you understand what I have discussed about the first rules of superlative to comparative degree. Now it's your turn. You have to change the sentence from superlative to comparative degree. Students, you will try to change the sentence. He is the oldest man in the village. In the village. Students, he is the oldest man in the village. This is the superlative degree. Right? You have to change this sentence from superlative to comparative. Now it's your turn. I expect that you all change this sentence from superlative to comparative. Okay? He is the oldest man in the village. The correct answer is, first of all, I will write subject, that is he. He is, after that, the comparative form of the superlative degree, that is bigger. Sorry, older. He is older, after that, than any other. He is older than any other man in the village. Students, look at here. He is older than any other man in the village. He is older than any other man in the village. This is the correct answer of this sentence. I think you understand about these sentences. Now I am going to the next example. Maradona is the best. Maradona is the best footballer in the world. Maradona is the best footballer we have ever seen. Footballer we have ever seen. This is the superlative degree. Now you have to change this sentence from superlative to comparative degree. Can you change this sentence from comparative to superlative? Sorry, superlative to comparative? I hope you can change this sentence from superlative to comparative, right? The correct answer is, Maradona is better. Maradona is better footballer we have ever seen. Maradona is better. Maradona is better footballer. Maradona is better than any other footballer. We have ever seen. Maradona is better than any other footballer we have ever seen. This is the comparative. Okay, students, I hope you all understand what I have discussed about the first rules. Now I am going to the next rules. Students, you